then I will ask the Navy to bring me to the nearest boundary dyan sa Spratly, Scarborough. Bababa ako, sasakay ako ng jet ski, dala-dala ko yung flag ng Pilipino at pupunta ako doon sa airport nila, tapos itanim ko. Then I would say, this is ours and do what you want with me. Bahala na kayo. I would stake that claim. And if they want to, you know, matagal ko ng ambisyon niya na maging hero rin ako. Pag pinatay nila ako doon, bahala na kayong umiyak dito sa Pilipinas.
Gusto ninyo, gawain na lang ninyo kaming province, Fujian, pati Philippine province of China. Di wala tayong problema.
I announce my separation from the United States. And maybe I will also go to Russia to talk to Putin and tell him that there are three of us against the world: China, Philippines, and Russia.